My brother is irresponsible, and I'm going to apologize for his irrationality by buying you a present. But I can't buy you a watch because your hands are all fucked up.
It's true.
So I'm going to buy you a Ferrari.
You don't buy Luke.
I'm buying Luke a Ferrari.
No, you're buying yourself a Ferrari.
I can't drive a Ferrari.
Whoa, Luke, this car is for you.
He's buying himself a Ferrari.
Why would I buy myself a Ferrari? I have loads of cars. Why would I do that? That would be wholly irresponsible.
You're buying me and you a Ferrari.
Tristan, we're buying Luke a Ferrari. He deserves it because of what you did.
Luke, you're not getting a Ferrari.
He's getting a Ferrari. After this chess game, literally all going to Ferrari. That's exactly what's going to happen. I guarantee it.
Yeah, but
Cool, so I've got a Ferrari now,
Yeah,
but I can't drive it.
Damn it, Luke. I don't think I feel right if I don't have you by my side.
For Luke, it's not for me. Not for me, it's for Luke. Luke deserves it. Obviously he can't drive it, so I'll have to drive it for him at first. Obviously it's for Luke, but I'll have to drive it for him because his hands. Do you know what I mean?
Luke has no hands.
He has no hands. So I'm just being nice, really.
Well, though, I think the Ferrari looks the nicest.
You think? Over the Lambo?
Over them all, yeah.
Yeah?
I don't know, being here, looking at.
are you test driving them? What's my Ferrari mount like?
812 there.
Is that the one we're buying?
For Luke. You're not buying it for Luke. Listen, Luke can't drive it, so I have to drive it because his hands are down.
And then I'm driving it too. It's ours.
It's Luke's.
It's mine and yours.
I'm buying it. I'm buying it for Luke because what you did. Otherwise, I wouldn't buy it.
If this were America, he could probably sue me.
Where are you doing, Luke?
Sue him. No suing. Not suing. I have Ferrari.
Genuinely sue him for loads of money.
No.
What do you mean for? Let's see what happens.
I bring him to my house. I let him live the
Sue
millionaire's
him.
life. He comes up with a bad idea, which I go along with.
Get a lawyer and
And
sue
now
him.
you guys are gonna have to hire my lawyer. Andrew, don't hire him a lawyer. It's money down the drain.
Which one's cool?
What is this?
This is the new Tate at 4 a.m. replacement. I'm going to load them like this, and I cannot buy it. So it's
Because in Friday you have to spend the money before you take fire, and after that you are allowed to buy this money.
Be right back.
Did he open the ass? Let's go sit in the ass.
You can't even get it wrapped, can you?
Serious now.
I ain't gonna fit in there. I ain't gonna fit in the back, bro. Do you know how big I am?
Luke, he's been test driving Ferraris for 20 minutes. Now I'm going to go test drive Ferraris. You're not getting a Ferrari. So I'm going to be nice to you and I'm just going to drive you home instead of test driving Ferraris. Alright, one follow. Give Andrew the Aston Martin key. Tell him I'm taking Luke home because he's not actually getting a Ferrari.
I am. I'm getting a Ferrari.
You're not.
He said it was my Ferrari. It's my Ferrari.
But it's not.
Once I can drive a Ferrari, it's my Ferrari.
It's mine.
Ciao for now.
Whatever I follow.
Not even close. Because obviously when I'm choosing a car for Luke, I have to choose the one I like driving the most. When you're choosing a car for Luke, it's all about how I like driving it. With Luke, his hands, he's got bad hands, so I'm going to buy him a Ferrari that I'm going to drive it full time to make sure that, he doesn't injure his fingers. That's nice of me.
That is nice.
I'm a nice guy.